Hi guys! It's Ivana at meron akong gustong ikwento sa inyo at i-share. This is what I've been using. It's called Pocket Broker. So baka may idea na kayo sa trading. Kung wala naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo dahil napakasimple at napakadali mag-trading dito sa Pocket Broker. You guys can begin trading with just $20 to $30. Lahat ng mga tradings ay may mga risk. Make sure pag ito-try nyo to, mag-research muna kayo, pag-aralan nyo. Pero guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kasimple mag-trading using Pocket Broker. All you have to do is put your email, your password, and then promo code. Napakasimple mag-register, hindi niya tayo pinapahirap. Next is the deposit. Iba-ibang mga method to deposit and then pwede na kayo mag-trading. So ayan, may two buttons, buy and sell. Tinitingnan ko yung market. So sell. Ayan na, so nag-double check na siya. Tataas. And then you just have to wait. Ayan na. So you get the double check. Successful. Right after, pwede niyo nang i-withdraw. At sa mga gustong sumubok ng trading by Pocket Broker, pindutin nyo na yung link ko and use my code ALAWI25 para makakuha kayo ng 100% bonus on your first deposit. Ang ating promo code is available for a short amount of time. So yun guys, magwo-work na muna ako. I love you!